So how much can you earn with Johnny Blockchain's trading robots? So I'm in this user's account here, and as you can see, he's got 55 active robots. Let's go over to the earnings calculator. You can see his total profit is $2,755 on his Binance robots, and on his Pancake robots, it's $98.13. You can see for the past 30 days, he's got just under $800 on his Binance robots and only 3 cents on his Pancake swap. So if you look today, in the last 24 hours, he's earned $106.18 with his Binance robots. So coming back to the front here, these purpley coloured robots are his DEX trading robots that are trading with Pancake swap. And if we go down the screen until you see these white coloured ones, these ones are trading with Binance.com. This robot also trades with Uniswap for decentralized trading robots and also Binance.us. So if we just look at some of the ROIs, there's 73% there, 169, 49. This one is switched off, but it's got 28%. Coming down a little bit further, 86, 131, 26, 21, 33, 139, 14, 143, 101, 17, 64, 171 there. That's an excellent ROI. 47, 29. I mean, all of these ROIs is just mind-blowing, aren't they? Look, 21, 35, 38, 38, 68. That one's yet to make a profit. 103, 23, 53, 34, 50, 470. Look at that one, 470. Coming down, 66, 55, 52, 299. Crazy. And, you know, I don't need to keep reading these out. You can see them as I scroll down the screen, these crazy ROIs. This one was set up on the 21st of May. It's the 23rd of May at the time of making this video. So coming back to his earnings calculator, would an extra $800 a month help your bank balance? Now, if you want to create your own trading robot, below this video, you're going to find a link. It's going to take you over to Johnny Blockchain. You can either use it with a MetaMask wallet and Pancake Swap or Uniswap, or you can set it up with Binance.com and Binance US. You've got decentralized trading or centralized trading. Your funds stay inside your wallets all the time. So if you're using the decentralized, your funds stay inside your MetaMask. If you're using the centralized on Binance, then your funds stay inside your Binance account. You don't have to send your funds to this platform to do the trading for you. You can create a free account by clicking on sign up or register. And if you look down the bottom here, you'll see that we've got 105,000 in passive income for the members so far. You'll also see that there's over $7,000 paid in affiliate commissions. It's also got affiliate program, 98.4% of profitable trades, 0.5% are bought back, you know, broke even basically. And then we've got 1.1% of negative trades. It means that they made a loss. But, you know, 98.4% of positive trades. Absolutely mind-blowing system. It really works. It does what it says on the tin. It's a trading robot that works with Pancake Swap, Uniswap, and Binance.com or Binance.us. Create your free account. Click on any of these buttons, sign up or register. It's going to bring you here. Pop your name, your email address, password. Put some ticks in these boxes. Click on this box here to say complete my sign up. You can have a look round, and when you're ready to get started, if you want to set up a decentralized trading robot, it's going to cost you $25 a year to set up as many trading robots as you like. If you want to set up a centralized trading robot with Binance, it's going to cost you another $25 a year, and you can set up as many robots as you like. So if you want to set up both decentralized and centralized trading robots, it's just $50 a year for as many trading robots as you like. Click the link below, come and create your free account, and happy trading.